If you're tired of paying high prices for Microsoft Office, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to download WPS Office Pro completely free, giving you full access to all premium features, including a powerful built-in PDF editor. First, click the link in the description or pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official WPS Office special offer page. Once there, select your device and hit download. When the download is finished, open the installer and follow the quick setup instructions. The installation only takes a minute or two, and once it's complete, you'll see a clean, modern interface that feels familiar right away. The next step is to create a free WPS account. Doing this automatically unlocks your 30-day WPS Pro trial. No credit card required. From that moment, you'll have the full premium toolkit at your fingertips, including the complete PDF suite. What sets WPS Office Pro apart is its versatility. You get all the familiar tools like Writer for documents, spreadsheets for data, and presentation for slides, just like Microsoft Office. But you also get advanced PDF tools. You can edit, convert, merge, compress, run OCR, and add watermarks, digital signatures, or annotations, all inside one lightweight, all-in-one suite. So instead of spending money on Microsoft Office, grab your WPS Pro 30-day free trial with the link below. And remember, once the trial ends, you can continue using the free version if you don't want to upgrade. To keep your computer safe and running smoothly, click the top right corner to check out my next video of the best free malware removal tool that removes viruses, spyware, and adware and cleans your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.